I'm Chia Davis reporting from Trenton Central High School, and instead of Trenton police checking the speed of drivers, students have hit the streets to show area drivers just how fast they're going in a school zone.
Their challenge was to measure the speed of a car without using a radar gun. This has evolved over the years. It started out by measuring the speed of somebody walking in the classroom, and then a few years ago somebody said, well, can we do it outside with cars? So I said, okay, let me get permission. We went out and did it, and then it's just evolved into this.
First part here is to let the driver be aware that we're going to find out how fast they're going. The second part is the part that we do the calculations, and the third part is where we let them know how fast they're going.
The students use string, stopwatches, calculators, and walkie-talkies for the experiment. Calculating the speed by dividing kilometers into miles, they discovered if the drivers were abiding by the speed limit of 10 miles per hour in a school zone.
Because it's a school area, so you shouldn't be going fast anyways. You should be going the miles they're going, but we expect them to be going much faster. Like the fastest one of the cars is going maybe about 17 miles.
There's some school zones that don't have the miles per hour, so sometimes they'll go whatever they feel. So we're showing them how far they could go on the school zone.
Most of the drivers seem to appreciate the lesson, sometimes waving to acknowledge the students' work.
They've been putting up their thumb like thank you and waving, beeping. Some of them have turned around to get their speed again.
In this piece with the signs, it was just an idea from seeing those, the ones that the police put out that tell you how fast you're going. We're getting lots of horn honking and lots of smiles, so to me that says yes, they're responding well.
Taking the physics lesson to the streets seemed to excite both the seniors and Mr. Larkin.
It's firsthand on the experiment instead of you reading what somebody else done, so you have the experience. You have the experience to see how cars actually work without having a speedometer.
In school, you really need to be engaged with the real-world applications of whatever you're studying in order to learn it. And so these kids, in addition to having fun, they're also learning, and they're enjoying learning because they see the utility of what they're doing.
And with school safety being a priority at all area schools, these students not only contributed to that effort, but also applied their studies of science and math for an all-around enjoyable Friday afternoon. Reporting from Trenton, Chia Davis, WZBN News.